If you want to find out whether your Windows antivirus is working properly, the first antivirus test to run is the EICAR test. It's a standard antivirus test file that every proper antivirus software should be able to detect. But it's not actual malware, it's just a harmless little text file, so it is the safest way to see your scanner in action. You don't even need to download anything, just open your Notepad and paste this string of symbols. I'll leave it in the description for easy access. Then save it on your desktop as either EICAR.com or EICAR.txt. If your antivirus is working, it should delete the file, thus instantly ending your very short career in hacking. Alternatively, it may move the file to quarantine or show a pop-up warning when you try to save or open it. If none of these happen, well, I'm sorry to say, you've got a dud antivirus. Now, just being able to catch this file doesn't mean your antivirus is super strong, it just means it meets the very basic requirements. Personally, I also run actual malware tests with 100 samples. I obviously do not recommend trying this at home. I have a special testing PC that's isolated just for that, but if you're curious about what the current best antivirus for Windows 11 is, Bitdefender has been absolutely crushing my tests for a while now. So if you want reliable antivirus protection, you can grab it either through this QR code or the link down below in the description. You get a nice additional discount too. Of course, there are more long-standing best antivirus options like Norton or ESET, both great options that do really well in both my own and independent expert testing. But I've got one more antivirus test to check if your antivirus app is truly working. On Windows 11, or 10 if you're still refusing to let go, navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Here select Virus and Threat Protection and click Manage Providers, under Who's Protecting Me. It should state the name of your antivirus and confirm that real-time protection is on. If it doesn't, come on, it's about time to get a proper antivirus, so check out my top antivirus recommendations in the description. Cheers.